All right, guys, we're going to do an open box or a box open of an Echo Dot. Go ahead, let's do this.
Your lovely assistant.
My lovely assistant's helping me today. So again, this is the thing they talk about where you say, Alexa, do this. Alexa, play my top songs. I say, Alexa, play Elevation Worship all the time, and it just starts off my day right. So Alexa's always listening for her name and can do that. So that's the first thing you see, the box open. And then, of course, this. All right, so let's open that on up. You can see everything's kind of compacted in there. It's pretty great packaging. I love how they package this different stuff. So let's see this first thing right here.
Under it.
Okay.
So it was like this.
Great. Let's see this top thing. That's your Echo Dot startup instructions are in here, so you can see all of your information right there. Basic first steps, plug in the Echo Dot. Download the Alexa app. You need an app on your device to be able to really work with it. You get set, connect your speaker, which I did is great. And so that's the back side. That's not as information. Here's the Alexa Dot. Turn upside down. There's the Alexa Dot right side up. We'll take the plastic off in a minute. Things to try. It says you can try Alexa, play some Prime music. Alexa, shuffle my dinner party playlist. Play Miles Davis station. Ooh, I like that. Alexa, what song is this? Alexa, buy this song. Oh, I like that. I didn't know that. Shows, podcasts, and radio. Alexa, play ESPN radio. Alarms and timers. Alexa, set an alarm for 7 a.m. Alexa, set a timer for 45 minutes. I do that all the time. Alexa, order laundry detergent. Alexa, buy more paper towels. Shop Amazon. All of that can be done and more. You can set up more stuff online. Questions and answers. Alexa, tell me a joke. Alexa, Wikipedia, Abraham Lincoln, and it'll read it to you. News, weather, and traffic, smart home stuff, and then use these anytime. Alexa, pair my Bluetooth. Alexa, stop. Alexa, volume 5. I didn't even know that. That's great. That's some great stuff. All right. So the next thing we'll do is let's pull out the cables and show what cables come with the box. All right. So you got your cable, standard Amazon looking cable, a micro USB, and of course in the box you got your power thing.
It's really snug.
Yep. Where you've never had to deal with this before. So of course you got this, and this is of course your standard. It is it's a 9 watt. Okay, so that is a bit different than Kindle's. And of course let's take the plastic off of here and get a good look at this little Echo Dot. Echo Dots are great. If you're using a Echo View or Echo Show like we have, you can use an Echo Dot to drop into another room. Say drop in, see whatever, and you've named this a specific person's room, like drop into Anna and Lydia, and it can bring up and you can talk through the Echo Show into the Echo Dot, and you can literally communicate. But this thing is great. So anyways, that's our box open. This is what comes with it. And we will do a setup later. We'll show you how to set one of these guys up here in one of our later videos.